and a special thanks to the members of the National Guard from around the country. It was an unprecedented situation. Hope will never have to be renewed again. And everyone handled with the most professionalism and duty and honor that you could be expected. The President, as Commander-in-Chief, I always respect and revere their service and that of their families. But now to today's announcement. Vice President Harris and I were joined by members of our COVID-19 response team, Dr. Tony Fauci, our Chief COVID Medical Advisor, Javier Becerra, our nominee for Secretary of Health and Human Services,